Okay, let's get started. Mr. Duffy, as Councilor Manager, do you want to say before we start the legislation?
Thank you, Ms. Nara. I would like to emphasize the importance of collaboration of education in this project. Our ideas and input are very valuable for the success of the program.
Okay, as we know, our company plans to launch a new product after conducting market research. We have two potential product candidates, women's perfume and men's perfume. Women's perfume is a new variant product with several technology innovation, and men's perfume is a new product that targets a slightly different market segment. These two products have good opportunity in the market, but we have one to launch first.
Mrs. Sophie, can you provide an overview of the production cost and profit projection for each product?
Of course, Mrs. Adis, based on the financial terms analysis, the production cost of women's perfume are around 20% higher than men's perfume. However, women's perfume has a larger profit margin with a projected net profit of 25%. Meanwhile, men's perfume has profit margins are around 18%.
If I might add, in terms of production, women's perfume requires some machine adjustment and additional training for staff. Production team is also a little longer. Meanwhile, men's perfume can be product with this existing production without many adjustments.
Are there any risks associated with the production of women's perfume? Considering that we have to do additional training, do we have enough human resource for that?
We have taken this into account, Mr. Helvi. We need about 2 months for training and adaptation. With good time management, I am sure we can overcome this challenge.
From a marketing perspective, women's perfume has a stronger appeal because of its innovation, which we can use as a campaign material. Men's perfume is easier to market, but may not have as big an impact as women's perfume.
In terms of administration, preparing documentation for women's perfume may take longer than men's perfume. We need to consider this so that there are no delay. Okay, thank you for your input. Based on the information we have discussed, I want to hear your opinion. Which product shall we prioritize for launching?
In my opinion, the women's perfume is more challenging in terms of production. Its really profit potential and high market capable can give us a competitive advantage. I agree with Mrs. Nata, with the profit margins, smaller perfume can have a significant financial impact in the long term.
However, we must also measure the effectiveness of our costs. If it is possible to adjust within 2 months, I support the recommendation.
I agree with level training. We can overcome the production challenge for women's perfume.
I will ensure that our documentation and administration can be prepared on time. Okay, as a reminder, the pros of launching a women's perfume is the potential for greater profits and high market appeal. This can give us a significant competitive advantage.
I agree, and financially, the low profit margins means we can get faster return on investment compared to men's perfume.
In terms of production, although there are challenges with training and machine adjustment, we can overcome the end product women's perfume with pretty good efficiency.
Right? And in terms of marketing, innovation in women's perfume will be a key point in our campaign, which can attract consumer attention first.
faster.
From the administration side, we have started preparing the required documents. Although it is more than the men's perfume, we are confident that we can complete it on time.
Thank you, Ms. Sophie and everyone. Now, let's hear the cause of this decision. Nata, what are your views?
Thank you, Mr. Rafi. I would like to emphasize that turning and adjusting machines take a lot of insight and research. There is a possibility that we may encounter technical issues that cause cost delay.
True, and delays in production could impact the product life timeline, which in turn could reduce our market momentum.
I would also like to add that although we are confident of overcoming the production challenge, there is a risk that machine adjustment and training might not go as quickly as we had hoped.
From financial perspective, the additional cost for planning, and reducement could technical management well, which could reduce our profit margin.
And from a marketing perspective, although woman perfume has have appeal, if there is a delay in the launch, we could lose momentum and the market could change.
Thank you for the opposing view. This is, I think, a big decision and we need to make sure all aspects are considered. Any suggestion on how we can overcome this challenge?
Maybe we can start by creating a more realistic and flexible timeline, which allows us to delays without too much pressure.
I agree we need to do more intensive initial testing so that we can predict and address technical issues before mass production begins.
In terms of marketing, we can start with a teaser campaign to maintain market interest while we finalize production.
That's a good idea, Ms. Devi. We could also consider setting up a special team that focus on training and adjusting machine so that the process is more controlled and efficient.
I will reserve the budget to ensure we have no buffer to cover any additional costs that may arise. We will discuss the previously determined budget, the fragrance variants we will choose, and the selection of bottle packaging for the perfume products we will launch. Next, Mrs. Adis is invited to report to the cost planning related to the previous meeting. After I receive and review the budget profit, previous budget is 4 billion. This part include the foreign unexpected costs occur at any time. Agree with Ms. Adis because after a student review service meeting, the material and quality used were very expensive. We also need money for materials of the tanks, so that customer feels safe that the perfume we mix does not cause irritation when it comes into contact with the skin.
Okay, I will hand over financial and material matters to Ms. Adis and Ms. Nata to continue. Next, to increase consumer interest in our product, what have you done as first step regarding consumer interest? In what fragrance they like the most, Ms. Devi?
Thank you for the question. You have submitted. What they did for the marketing department is distribution fragrance questionnaire that we have professionally researched. We have provided this questionnaire via social media Instagram.
According to the result of the questionnaire that was distributed, many women are interested in vanilla 50%, citrus 30%, and orchid 20%. Consumers also suggest other fragrances such as jasmine, musk, and sandalwood. We can use this result as a comparison for products that we will launch in the future.
Agree with what Mr. Davis said previously, because IS administration also took part in the questionnaire regarding interest in women's perfume fragrance, which we have distributed via social media.
Regarding the issue of interest in fragrance, I leave it entirely to the manager and marketing staff, who are monitored by Sophie and followed by the administration department.
Okay, then we are invited to Mr. Farhan as the factory manager to discuss the packaging that will be selected from several candidates that have been provided previously.
We will offer two options so far. The first choice, dispal or one size with a different form of packaging, or the second, choice with a different size with the same form of packaging. We determine that these two packaging are in accordance with the perfume shops that apply on the market by following other packaging standard for safety and ease so that they can be carried anywhere.
Excuse me, what type of the packing material will we ask? In my opinion, the packing material is to use mix of glass and acrylic. I agree with Mr. Natal's opinion regarding the bottle packaging use of hard, being sharp and not easily broken. This will also have a good impact on the financial cost that will be spent.
I agree with Ms. Adis and Ms. Nata. After I researched more about the packaging of other brands, most obvious bottle packaging made from acrylic mixed with glass.
Okay, thank you for the suggestion and input from all parties. We will review further about what the bottle packaging materials we will use for our perfume, and we will also ensure the safety and best quality of this material before the next meeting is held.
Please, Mr. Farhan, present your discussion.
After considering input from all division, we have reviewed the packaging materials and their shapes. However, we encountered an issue with the supplier who rejected our price proposal for the glass and acrylic mixed materials. They are requesting a significant price increase that could exceed our allocated budget.
I understand the issue, but we must consider the financial impact. If material prices go up, total production cost will exceed 4 billion, and the budget is set. We need to find alternative solution.
Thank you, Ms. Adis. Perhaps we could consider more economical alternative material or look for another supplier. What do you think, Ms. Nata?
I agree. We can look for another supplier or consider other material like high quality plastic that can provide safety and aesthetic without extending the budget.
To maintain a quality and brand image, we must stick to premium looking packaging. We can renegotiate or research alternative supplier offering similar quality at more competitive prices.
According to our data, consumer prefer product with luxurious looking packaging. We need to be careful in choosing material to keep attracting consumers.
We need to refill that cost if this is another supplier or different materials. I will work with the production team to get out the cost estimate. Alright, let's give the finance and production teams some time to find the best solution. How about the fragrance aspect? Are there any issues in this area?
There is no big problem. Just input from consumer who buy jasmine and sandalwood variant. Maybe we can list additional variant.
Okay, so we have two main actions to follow up on renegotiating with the supplier or looking for alternative and considering additional fragrance variant. Is there anything else to add?
Nothing from me. I'm ready to assist the marketing and production teams if needed.
We will immediately collaborate with the finance team to find the best packaging solution.
And I would like to thank everyone for their participation. We are ending the meeting. Have a good one.
The meeting closed.